Hey, it's Jim from Donut Mountain Custom Models. Got an Atlas GP38-2 CSX, custom number 2537. It's sort of a yard goat. So the original unit has the working beacon lights. I added the white roof, added the front and rear ditch lights, added the Tsunami sound. The rest of it was pretty much detailed the way it's supposed to be. This one's supposed to have a nose headlight and it doesn't, so that's like the only real difference. And then there was some kind of crazy compartment on the front that I never seen before, and obviously that's not on there either. Well, why don't we just take a look at the lighting? Is that, and then the strobes alternate. Then I added the remote control decals as well to the unit. Sorry about all the movement. Can't get this thing right. Pretty cool. Here, I'm just going to move this over just so you can see the strobes again. I'm working on both sides since the angles look bad. There you go. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.